Hi, I'm Mike with Karen Engineering. I'm here today to discuss a few of our products with you. We have, which I'm actually demonstrating here, is a detected product. What detected does is it really just identifies anomalies using sensor technology that we've developed over the last 30 years. So this one's tied to a vibration sensor, so we can do things like spindle bearing analysis, bar feeder vibration anomalies, really anything you want to be able to detect. Please feel free to check us out on the web at www.caroneng.com. Thanks. Have a nice day.
My name is Bob Nelson. I'm here at the 2019 Syracuse Supply Open House. I'm demonstrating the Chick work holding system. This is our 1040 quick lock for vertical machining centers, capable of holding two parts at the same time. I'm clamping two parts through a stationary center draw. The movable jaws snap on and off, and you can cut out contours to hold specific parts.
Hi there, my name is Rex Hartman, and I work with Patrick Michitek and Cutler Industrial Sales. One of our primary lines is Royal Products, and they make collet chucks. This happens to be a quick change collet chuck system. Very accurate, 10-second collet changes. In order to change a collet out on the quick grip chuck, you put the installation tool in the collet, squeeze the handle to compress the collet, and then release it. And then to install it, just the reverse. And there's your collet change.
Hi, my name is Bart Ellers. I'm here with Syracuse Supply at their open house. I work for Camco. We are the authorized Gibbs Cam reseller for the greater Northeast, upstate New York, and New England. Gibbs Cam is a full-featured cam system that supports anything from 2-axis milling and 2-axis lathes all the way up to 5-axis mills and multi-turret, multi-spindle machines, including Swiss machines such as the Stars. So we've been working with Syracuse Supply to support their full line of all their machines, specifically the Doosan's and the Star machines. We're one of the few cam softwares that can support that wide range of machine tools.
Good afternoon. We are JH Robotics from Johnson City, New York. Today for the demo we are exhibiting our collaborative machine tending robot cell. Basically this partners up with various CNC machine tools, typically loading a lathe, mill, grinder, for example. What you can see here, we have the collaborative Fanuc CR7. We also do the standard yellow robots on various tools. If you have any further questions, please contact us or visit our website, www.jhrobotics.com.
Hey, I'm Brad Jones with MD Tooling. I'm here at the Syracuse Supply Open House in Buffalo. So this is going to be our Y-axis holder, well, cutting in the X-axis of the Y offset. So instead of a tool change or a quick change, you can just change the position of the tool, and then you have 2-in-1. This is the broaching unit, which I've got the video claim for. That's going to give you about a 25 to 50 millimeter stroke length from the inside of a part.
Hello, I'm Doug Platt here with QualiChem at the Syracuse Supply Open House. Just to let you know, we deal with metalworking fluids for your CNC equipment, from oils, water-based products, cleaners, RPs. And if you want more information about us, you can visit our website at qualichem.com. We're happy to solve all your metalworking fluid issues.